If pursuing a different immigrant visa, when should an EB-5 investor withdraw an I-829 petition? Completing and submitting the I-829 petition is the final step in the EB-5 investment process. It must be filed within the final 90 days of an investor's 2-year conditional residency period. Upon I-829 approval, the applicant is granted U.S. permanent resident status. Because I-829 petitions can take several years to process, United States Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, will extend the conditional residency status of investors with pending petitions. Withdrawing an I-829 petition will result in a loss of conditional permanent resident status for the principal applicant and all derivative beneficiaries. An EB-5 investor considering withdrawing their I-829 petition should consult with an experienced immigration attorney before making this decision. Withdrawing an I-829 petition before approval may risk an applicant's investment capital. As part of EB-5 program requirements, an investor can only qualify if they put the necessary capital at risk. They cannot be guaranteed a return of their funds. Although USCIS allows an investor to receive their funds after filing Form I-829, this is not always the case. Some EB-5 regional centers may prohibit the return of investment capital until after I-829 approval. Such stipulations will be included in a project's subscription agreement. In these projects, withdrawing the I-829 petition before approval will likely risk an investor's funds. As aforementioned, withdrawing an I-829 petition will result in a loss of conditional permanent resident status, which will require the petitioner to leave the United States. If an investor wishes to withdraw their I-829 petition, but still reside in the country, they must find a way to maintain lawful U.S. status to avoid issues such as deportation or accrual of unlawful presence. There is no official USCIS withdrawal form, so investors must submit a request to withdraw their I-829 petition. When completing a withdrawal request, an investor should ensure the request is addressed to the USCIS office that is processing their petition, include their full name, date of birth, and passport information, include the receipt number, receipt date, application type, and alien number, include their contact details and a reliable mailing address, sign the request.